All right, so I'm going to change the property type to an integer.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to add a message sensor. We'll just say inc for short for increment.
Okay.
And let's just for the message, we'll just say increment. Add a controller. Add a property actuator.
Okay.
Set this to add and put our text field and text name.
Okay, so that is the property that you have assigned to. I see what you're saying. Okay, over here you've had a property named text. So is that the property that you're calling?
Right.
Okay.
So the reason why the property name is important because this is specific. Once I enable this text button, it's going to be looking for a property called text in the object's properties.
Okay, so you need to name that text.
Right, and whatever is the value, it's going to display it up there on the object.
Okay.
So this one, when we have send an increment message, it's just going to increment the value by 5.
Okay.
And so what we're going to do is when the cannonball, we're going to select the monkey head. When the monkey head gets hit by the bullet or coconut cannonball thing, then it's going to send a message by adding a message actuator. It's the subject of increment.
Okay.
Connect that up. So if we play our game and shoot the monkey heads, you can see our score.
Yeah, go ahead and pull that aside there. All right. So it's 0. Oops. Did we accidentally move our monkey head? Oh, I see. Okay, we had that layer. Okay, so 5, 10. All right, well, let's move our... Can we move our score item down to the lower part of the screen where it's darker so that we get better contrast on it? Okay, good.
Alright, so that's the score counting.
Okay, so we're getting 5 points the way you've set it up.
Right.
And in the lower right hand part of the screen there under the actuators, you told it to add 5 to the increment, right?
Right.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to have it decrement when the monkey heads make it across. So we're going to duplicate this cube right here.
Okay, and used the Shift D to duplicate. Yep.
The name is to right monkey wall. Alright, and I guess that's fine. And so we're going to shrink these. We're going to add a near sensor called hit wall or near wall. Property
near wall. Okay.
Right.
Property right. Go ahead and speak up. Make sure we can hear you.
Distance of 0.5. And we're going to add a controller. And let's see, we're going to add a message actuator.
Okay.
Called dec, short for decrement, with a message of decrement. Connect them up. We're also going to connect this to our end object actuator. So when it hits the wall or reaches the end of the screen, it's going to end or delete the head. So it's not continually going.
Oh, okay. So So follow me through that again.
Okay.
You had the near sensor, which you used to duplicate, and that had the property right. Okay. And then you go through an AND controller, and then it's doing two things.
It's sending a message to the score object to decrease the score, and it's also deleting the monkey head.
Okay.
So let's go back to our main layer, select our score object, add another message sensor. We'll rename this dec for decrement, and for the subject, we have decrement, connect it to a AND controller, and add a property actuator. Select the add option. In the property field, type in our text property, and in the value, do -5. So we're adding -5 to our score.